Dolly World Studios, yeah, yeah. Dolly World Studios, yeah, yeah. Dolly World Studios, yeah!
Oh, what a lovely day it is. We should have a picnic. That would be cool. Yeah. Now we just gotta make the sandwiches if we're gonna have a picnic. Okay, cut them in little pieces. There we go. Now all we need, yeah, little pieces. Now all we need is some lettuce. There we go. 2, 3, 4. Hi. You can help if you want. Sure. Now all we gotta do is wrap them. Okay. There we go. Put that in there. That in there. Hi. Katie, you hate picnics. Here's some money. I'll stop nagging you. Okay. Hey, we're here. Yay. We're all at the mat. Okay. Now we just need, here's the sandwiches. One for you, one for me, blah, blah. One. Hey, the dog ate mine. Oh, stupid Miley. Oh, come on. Hi. We've been here all along.
Hold, Courtney. Here, Meg.